Happy trails, everyone.
Happy trails, it's us again.
We are at the Biltmore Estate in Asheville.
Thanks to my friend who gave us some free passes.
That's awesome. So this is one of those cool things to do in Asheville. Probably one of the coolest things, probably one of the most visited things in Asheville to do.
And I'm shocked we haven't done it yet. We've been here more than 4 years.
Right, so we're way overdue. Anyway, so here we go. We're not sure what exactly we're going to be able to photograph or video, but we'll get some footage and we're going to have a ton of fun.
We are.
Awesome.
We're psyched.
Let's go. So I remember having more room in a school bus. I must have just swelled.
Am I too close to you?
Never too close to me.
Oh, okay. Well, you did say you wanted room.
Well, you being this close to me, there's still no room in this back seat. All right, so we're here.
We're here at the Biltmore house.
I expected it to be bigger. I mean, it's not much bigger than our house.
Well, it just doesn't look so big because it's way back there.
Oh, okay, so we got to get closer.
Yeah, much closer.
Okay.
We have to touch it.
Okay, well, let's go touch it.
All right.
Okay, we're inside.
Can you see the piano?
Stand up again. Oh yeah, there's a piano in there. Anyway, we'll see it, but we're here. We're on a self-guided tour. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, so behind us is the fireplace, and look,
It's a fireplace, but it's really 3 fireplaces.
It is. It's 3 fireplaces, and it's absolutely huge. But of course,
I'm sure you stay really
look at
warm.
how high the ceiling is. You'd have to have 3 fireplaces in order to keep this room warm.
True, but if you was sitting where those chairs are right in front of the fireplace, you'd be pretty toasty.
Oh, let's take a look at this. Wow. It's like the king and queen thrones. Oh, this must just be the everyday dinner hall.
This is the breakfast room,
This is just for breakfast?
I'm guessing.
Oh, okay. Look at the ceiling. Architecture in the ceiling, that's amazing. Look at this guy's sideburns. Hey Jill.
What?
Come look at this.
Oh, wow.
Holy cow. I wonder how often they have to take those down to wash them.
I'm sure they figure out a way without taking them down.
Massive dry cleaning bill. Who are those people?
12 Venetian porcelain apostle figures and candles, a rare collection.
Oh, I have one of those. Actually, I have 2. Wait, you want one? And you can see the mountains. This is that view that you liked with the rolling hills.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah. What did they call this? The loggia?
I didn't see that.
Yeah, I think it said loggia.
You mean this area out here?
Yeah,
Oh,
there was a
okay.
little sign. I don't know what a loggia is.
We'll have to figure it out.
I've never had a loggia
Let's
of
see.
my very own. Hey, I think that's Satan. No, seriously. Because look, we have all these gargoyles and stuff over here. That's totally Satan back there. All right. So we're in the library.
I wonder if the grand piano is still playing.
I bet you it does. I bet you it's like a 1920 Steinway.
Oh, these
I'm gonna go
doors
take a look.
came in.
Yes, it was a Steinway.
Or we were mistaken. This is the tapestry room because of all the incredible tapestry.
Oh. Let's take a look at the incredible tapestries. Hey, who is that? That wouldn't happen to be Edgar Allan Poe, would it?
Let me read in this.
And I think that's Celine Dion right there. That's Celine Dion, Edgar Allan Poe.
It's Flemish tapestries.
I don't know who that is. Shh. Be very quiet. It's a library. It's a library. This one's a door?
Yeah. And there's little steps outside.
Oh, cool. Does it open?
An alarm will go off.
I don't think it's alarmed.
Oh, there's another door. There's two doors.
Oh, okay. Nope. Looks like walnut too.
Yeah, look at the gold. It looks like gold.
The wallpaper?
Yeah, like
Gold leaf.
threaded. Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that the Eagles? The band, the Eagles. Look at this guy's hair. Seriously. And he parted it down the middle too. Now that's a tub. Look at that thing. I could definitely fit in that.
Madonna room.
Madonna stayed here.
These aren't supposedly even the most spectacular guest rooms.
Oh, really?
Well,
I don't know. If I was Madonna, I would like this room. There's Madonna right there.
no, that's the woman that was in the first indie movie.
Oh yeah,
Marion.
that's Marion. Marion Madonna.
Convalescent as was the custom of the day.
Wow, look at those curtains. It's all crushed velvet.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am walking backwards down the stone corridor.
And I'm gonna trip him.
I'm gonna trip myself is what's gonna happen.
I hear music.
Wow, it's a long stone corridor.
There's some sort of an event.
It's the Halloween room.
Wow.
It's a bowling alley.
That is awesome.
That is so cool.
This one has.
That's actually the first sink I've seen in the whole house.
Yeah.
Look at this picture. It looks like ghost kids,
Wow.
doesn't
They're
it?
angel kids.
Go-
I think they're
ghost
made,
kids. Those
no,
are-
they're made
those
to
are-
look like angels.
Those are the haunted.
They're angel kids.
They're ghost
So mean
kids.
to kids.
Wow. They should have water. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
The Millennial Biltmore in Los Angeles.
really?
Except everything was green.
Okay.
This must be the gymnasium room. Look at these showers.
That must be an early, like a rower.
Yeah, that's like, this was like early 19th century CrossFit. Wow, look at that stove. That's incredible. That was all wood.
So that must have been the servants' kitchen back there.
No, that's where they prepped the meat, and this is where they did everything else.
The first one that we saw.
No, that's where they do the baking.
Oh,
That was the bake. Yeah. Buffalo head. All right, so we're here at the winery to drink some wine.
taste some wine.
Drink some wine, taste it, and drink it, and
Okay.
enjoy it.
That works.
There's the winery entrance.
And they're
Let's
waiting
go.
for us.
They are. They look like they're waiting. Okay, so we're at the winery. It's a half hour
Sorry, my
ago.
nose is all red, but I had an allergy to dust, and now we just went through the wine cellar, and it was a little moldy.
It was a lot moldy, but now there's a huge line. Look. And it closes in half an hour, so
That's all right.
we'll just have to see. You think so?
Yep.
Okay. So how do you like it?
I like it. I like.
That's the rosé.
And you know me, I love rosés, but they have to be dry. And
Is it
this
really
one
dry?
Is really dry, but it has a lot of flavor too. Nice fruity flavor.
That's awesome. Well, but it tastes good after an hour.
After an hour wait. Well, it wasn't an hour, was it?
That's pretty close.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, it's good. I'm enjoying this. I like the tasting because I get to try a lot of different things, and I don't drink a lot of wine, so to be able to try a lot of different things in one, spot, one place, it's great.
All right.
We're on.
We're on.
Okay.
So we had a great time. We tasted some good wines.
And this is the end of our day. As you can see, it's dark out, and we are ready to walk through a tunnel of lights.
Again.
And but the wine tasting was really cool. I mean, it was neat to taste all the different wines that are produced by the Biltmore, and we enjoyed our day.